back to another episode of Shockwave Plays Sonic Adventure 2. Right now we're just getting into the prison. Right now we're just playing as Tails. We played as Knuckles. We played as Sonic. Right now we're playing. Oh jeez! Ooh, I almost fell. There we go. Get rid of that camera over there. I don't want Eggman seeing us. Oh wait, no, this is not Eggman's face. Where's oh, it's the enemy over there. I have to kill him. Oh, I get it now, so yeah, so the doors won't open unless we kill all of our enemies that stands in our way. This is the Vulcan cannon or whatever. There we go. Oh! Who hit me? Get all my rings back. Need that to recharge. Who hit me? Oh well. Doesn't matter now. And this camera. Ah! What? Oh no 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 no. Oh well, it doesn't matter now. What in the world? What is Big doing here? What is Big doing in Prison Island? Is he looking for Froggy? Oh. I don't know how to free him, but you're on your own, Big. Breakdowns. Tails breakdancing in the tornado. Ha! Classic Tails. There we go. Oh! Stupid. Did I get him? I got him. Got him. It's not about... Why isn't the door opening? Did I miss one? Oh, no. Yeah, I did miss one. Oh, look at it. No, 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 no! Ah, stupid gun box. There you go. Got him. For those of you who saw that explode. Oh, ocean. Oh, jeez, oh, jeez, oh, jeez. Never miss. Okay. I see. Ah. I told you. What's up? I need as many of these casts as I can.
I did it! That was easy.
Oh man.
Keep your voice down. Have no fear. Amy Rose is here.
How'd you get here?
Well, if you gotta know, I
hedgehog.
You mean that black hedgehog?
Did you see it? Where is it now?
If I tell ya, will you marry me?
No.
No
Nice try.
way.
I thought I had you this time.
Nice try.
That black hedgehog came here with Dr. Eggman.
So, Eggman's behind this, huh?
What's all that writing on the wall anyway? Did you write that? Wait for me, Sonic. He's such a brat sometimes.
Oh, you still got the $20 I gave you last night?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You're supposed to get it over, so you buy yourself some soap. Alright?
Alright. Oh my god. Oh, Sonic. There we go. Oh, I couldn't reach it. Okay, let me try that again. Not speedrunning this. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay. Oh, just barely made it. Just drop. Okay, so I have to hit. There we go. Drop. Oh, just eat one of them. Got it. Right on top of it, yes. Thought I was gonna shoot it.
Barely made it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. That's I was supposed to speed run that. Oh well. Let's see.
So far, so good. Hey, that's a blue hedgehog again of all places. I found you. Faker. Hey? I think you're the first hedgehog around here. You're comparing yourself to me? Huh? You're not even good enough to be I'll make you eat those words. There's no time to play games. You won't even get the chance.
Okay. Oh jeez. No! Sister! Okay.
So you're not just a hedgehog.
Fall over.
Not bad for an imposter. Do you know who I am?
Not bad for an imposter. Oh, look who's. Oh, never mind. Oh, jeez. Who's calling who the imposter? Eggy! No! He's gonna blow up the island? Oh. I just love the way that Shadow just left. He backs up and starts running. See ya. Oh, I missed. Alright, that's cool. Woo! That was close. Trying to mess with these bots. Oh no 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 no! Okay. Man, if I had fell off that, man, I would be screwed. What was that? What was that case down there? It was left. Okay, that got me an extra life. Oh, it wouldn't allow me to get the balloon. Okay, that's cool. Catch me if you can. I'm dead. Oh my god! Oh, I thought I was really dead there.
Yes! Just made it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna start making these episodes a lot longer.
This place sure feels haunted. There's no time to lose. I have to hurry and find the Master Emerald.
Sweet. That's the first spot to look. Shady place. Oh, there's a lot of shady ground there, but we can't touch it. Behind the thick rocky wall. No, 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 don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. That was close. Oh, jeez. Church Mountain. I can't get up there, can I? Oh, can't touch it! It sucks. See if I'm getting any. Oh, we must be talking about this. That Church Mountain and Shady Place. Get out of here. Oh, jeez! And clear on. On a thick wall. Don't walk! No, not falling. Says behind a thick wall in a shady place. If I go down, I might be getting close to the end. Ah! Where are all these dudes coming from? Maybe if I go down, there it is, I see it. Ah, as soon as I get the emerald, then the ghost appears. Under a chimney. Wait a minute. I think I know where that is. Just gotta get high enough. Pumpkin Mountain. Yep. Down there. Past the upgrade. Past it. Oh. I said I had to get high enough in order to get there. Has to be this mountain. That's underneath the chimney. Where's that chimney at? No, it's on this side. Might be up there. Oh no! Need that clue for later. Okay. The last emerald. 3 against. Oh. Wait. Must be going back to that graveyard side. Let me make sure. 3 goes Train Mountain. Yep. Down here. Between the ghost tree sweet. Three ghost trees. No! Got it.
I found them. That was tough.
Seriously. Oh jeez.
Citizens of Earth, lend me your ears and listen to me very carefully. A man, the world's greatest scientist, and soon to be the world's greatest ruler. The greatest empire of all time.
Oh no. That. Oh jeez. It just exploded. Oh, it's a space colony arc. Who created that thing? No, never mind. I played Shadow the Hedgehog. Already found it. Oh jeez. The afternoon's gone.
Look, half the moon is gone.
Sounds like a kazoo going off. More like a...
But how did he manage to harness all that energy?
Yeah, that's the reason they were looking for him. Tails?
He can't swim over there. And the galaxy itself is I can use that to fly the
Oh! Can't jump that high. And I can't, light speed dash. But, what was that over there? What's over here? Yeah, this. Oh, boosters. Okay. Oh, okay, that's what they were for. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I left these 2 seconds. Now we can blaze through the stage, no problem! I'm wanted. Bye-bye. close. Almost got hit. Oh. Okay. Too low. Okay, now let's open back down. Run. Dodges, I need to get over there quick. Oh jeez, oh jeez. Oh, that was close. Almost land on that. Almost land on me.
Very good.
Yes, my first B rank. Awesome. All the time. What I gotta do is we always stay out of line. Sometimes I will just chill and laugh. Okay. What's Emerald? Where are you? Where are you? I feel like I'm right under you. Oh, it's underwater, okay. Oh, no, 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 go back down. Oh, no, it's not under here, okay. Get off, 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 get off. No. So it's closer when I was down here, so... did not want to do that. Like, I'm right. Hold on. It might be on the other side. Yep. Got it. Next. Near blue flames. Blue flames? Wait. It's not quiet. Try with flames in it. Oh, okay. We changed the water pressure. Yeah. I'll be back with you guys. Hold on. And right now, we said we found the location of the second piece of the Master Emerald. Okay, where? Dig under the Blue Lantern. Right there. Okay, now we gotta find the final. Oh, jeez! In front of the bathroom. The bathing mini stove. Okay. Which means I gotta... First... Hold on. This is something I need to get. Go. Let's find that last piece of the Master Emerald to wrap this up. Room behind the couch inside car. In front of the bathing mini skull. A room behind the caution sign that warns of the dark. Let me guess. Try digging in front of the first style of the night room. Okay. Oh, wait, look. Isn't I just in that room?
don't need them. Tails, any news yet?
For some reason, I'm not getting a signal from the 6 remaining Tails Emeralds. Maybe Eggman took the emeralds into outer space. Outer space? Knuckles!
Hey guys, long time no see. I must have got lost in the mines. Looking for the Master Emerald pieces was tougher than I thought it would be. Where are we anyway? Hey, where you going?
Move aside, Knuckles! I managed to find the transcript between Eggman and the President in the government computer. I'm following the President's limo right now. If we get into the limo, we can trace the call to find Eggman.
Okay, let's meet up there.
Next time on Shockwave plays Sonic Adventure 2.